begin with an exclusive inside scoop accessed by Times Now from the crucial Education Parliamentary Panel meeting that took place yesterday amid the entire NEET paper leak controversy. Sources are telling Times Now that the National Testing Agency, or the NTA, defended its processes, insisting that a robust examination system remains in place, even as it acknowledged that the system may have been compromised at some level. We're also told that nearly 70% of the Radhakrishnan Committee's reform recommendations have already been implemented. A sharp debate reportedly broke out over the use of the word leak, with BJP MPs raising objections to that terminology, arguing the CBI investigation is still underway. Sources tell Times Now that Ravi Shankar Prasad even mounted a legal argument against officially using the term. Meanwhile, sweeping changes are now said to be in the works, from tighter vendor accountability, internal overhauls at the NTA, to a phased shift towards computer-based testing. The government has also signalled a major crackdown on exam mafias and organised cheating networks. Let's straight away go across to my colleagues joining us live right now for more on this. We have with us my colleagues tracking the story closely. Pragya as well as Paras live with us. Pragya, to you first. Explain to us what exactly happened in the meeting yesterday. It was a very important parliamentary panel meeting where NTA chief and the education secretary were summoned.
Absolutely. This is a parliament panel meeting that has been summoned, and in fact in that particularly NTA DG, NTA chairperson and also education secretary were also summoned before this particular meeting. Now the members of BJP and other opposition parties are also members of this particular panel, and in fact both the sides were well prepared because they know that there is a sensitive topic that is going to be discussed, which is a leak of NEET examination. And this is why when BJP members came, they took an objection to the subject matter that was communicated officially, where it was written that this discussion is going to be on NEET leak exam paper. And in fact, Mr. Ravi Shankar has given all the legal rationale that he could, saying that the word leak, and there can be no discussion on NEET paper leak in such parliamentary panel discussions. And if there is, then we need to wait till the investigation by the CBI is over. So we cannot just ascertain whether this is a leak till the investigation is over. So which was acceptable to most of the people, despite there was larger debate on the word leak that has been used in official communication. Later on, every member asked NTA officials whether there was a leak or not.
So the word leak obviously was discussed in detail. They may have a problem with the word leak, but obviously what must be underlined, something which we are highlighting as well, which obviously Pragya, my colleague, was just telling you all viewers about, the educational parliamentary panel meet, what transpired in the meeting, viewers. We have obviously an inside scoop which we've accessed on Times Now. So what really transpired in the meeting? First of all, scoop number one, according to top sources, NTA says that a robust examination system is firmly in place. NTA questioning the word leak. Scoop number two, saying this is what the NTA had said in the panel meet. The 70% of Radhakrishna panel reforms already have been implemented. Scoop number three, there was a sharp debate which had erupted over the use of the word leak, something which Pragya was talking about. Then the BJP MPs there had opposed the paper leak tag. They cited the ongoing CBI probe, saying that there is a CBI probe which is underway. Scoop number five, it was Ravi Shankar Prasad who had basically mounted a legal argument against the term leak, something which again, as I said, Pragya was highlighting. Also, scoop number six, NTA admitting that systems may have been compromised. Now, this is very, very significant, viewers. If you could go back to scoop number six, because that is the most significant pointer. NTA admitting that systems may have been compromised at some level. Scoop number seven, Digvijay Singh accused of breaching the panel confidentiality, and also finally the NTA systems outsourcing and also vendor checks which had been set for an overhaul. Also, finally, what happened? The phased move to computer-based testing. Now, that is something which the panel was told is finally in the works. Government also in that meeting vowed a crackdown on exam mafia and also cheating network. So those are the key highlights as to what really transpired in the meeting. We have some more breaking news coming, viewers, at this point of time, talking about the NEET leak. Now, we have a source-based information which is coming in. Maharashtra, according to sources, seems to be emerging as the epicenter of this entire paper leak case or paper leak scam. Now, investigation is telling us that this is according to sources. The CBI, obviously, as we know, is widening the scope to the even parents who are being questioned. One doctor parent has already been questioned, as we had reported earlier. Allegations have surfaced that they had purchased the paper leak, many of the parents as well. According to agency and according to sources, what we are getting to know, the investigation is basically indicating that the leaked paper was allegedly circulated from Maharashtra to several other states through a well-organized network. The probe is now focusing not only on the mastermind behind this particular leak, but also on those who may have financially benefited from participation in the racket. All right, that's obviously the latest which is coming at this point of time. My colleagues are continuing to be live with us. Paras is live with us. He has brought us this exclusive information. Paras, take us through what your sources are telling you. Maharashtra emerging as the hub or the epicenter of this leak investigation, and the CBI seems to be widening its probe. Give us more details as to how the CBI is widening its probe. Who all, are on the radar? What is this entire scam, the racket, which the CBI has unearthed till now?
Right. This is a very critical case for NEET paper leak, and in this condition, Central Bureau of Investigation are continuously investigating very thoroughly. As the sources told us that Maharashtra is allegedly the hub of the paper leak because it started from Nashik to Latur, Latur to Pune, and then to the other districts of Maharashtra. The main center, epicenter seems to be Maharashtra, because from Maharashtra paper travelled to the other state, as I am continuously saying that Times Now exclusively broke that how Shubham, the person from Maharashtra, he started this whole thing. He took paper from Dhananjay. He went from by road to Pune. There was a person from Haryana who came and took away the paper, and then whole this NEET paper leak started before the examination day, before the 3 days of examination. So now not only the coaching classes or other persons are on the radar of CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, but the paper which was being purchased by the parents are also on the radar. The children who purchased the paper,
yes,
they are on the radar. There are total number of 10 parents who has
You're
been
right,
totally...
and the lens, as you were telling us, is also on a larger interstate network. That is another breaking news coming in. Paras, to stay with us, because I'm coming back to you on that point as well. Let's highlight what my colleague was also saying, viewers. The NEET paper leak probe, how is it intensifying, widening? The lens far as the probe is concerned, is on a larger interstate network. The CBI basically is probing a larger interstate network. CBI is probing if such module was in any way active in any other region. Sources telling us that Latur-based pediatrician is reportedly under the scanner. The CBI is continuing to interrogate multiple parents as well. CBI is questioning, and that questioning is underway, happening in Latur, Pune as well. CBI investigating the NEET paper leak trail, has traced how the paper basically was distributed. Paras continues to be live with us. Paras, this seems to be obviously some very stunning revelations. As we were talking about how the CBI probe lens is widening, interstate network on CBI radar. They're also looking at other such modules, possibly which are active in other regions. Can you give us more details as to what you're picking up from your sources?
As per the sources, it has been said that it's an interstate syndicate that was operating from Maharashtra. Maharashtra seems to be allegedly the hub of a NEET paper leak. We had seen raids in Latur, Nashik, Pune, and other district of Maharashtra, Nandurbar. Continuously there are raids which has been conducted by Central Bureau of Investigation. In this, parents are also been suspected, and that's why 10 parents has been literally questioned by the CBI, and some children are on the radar of CBI right now. But main focus right now is how this whole syndicate work, how this paper went to the other state, what was the distribution model, what was the payment model, how paper and money was involved in this entire thing. The money link will be the important thing, who all were involved. There is a pediatrician who is on the radar of CBI right now, who purchased the guest paper for his son. So there are many points which are worked by the CBI right now, but the major thing is that in this entire situation, the NEET paper leak, is that Maharashtra is allegedly the major point from where paper leak started. So CBI team
Absolutely.
are in different districts of Maharashtra.
And this is obviously a big news which you are bringing us. The CBI widening the probe lens, larger conspiracy, a possible interstate network, similar modules if they exist. Another pediatrician who's under the scanner, we know a parent has already been questioned. Multiple parents reportedly who allegedly bought the paper, they are also on the CBI radar. The questioning is underway. The purview of the probe is increasing. That's widening. We are getting obviously all the updates and exclusives coming in. We will keep an eye on this big story. The NEET paper leak trail continues to be a big focus as of now. We're slipping into a short commercial break.